Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how the statutory info report, it's statutory info information we can see. For example, VAT classification, service categories, TDS nature of payment, directive type. Okay, let's go first VAT classification. All reports are in display only. From here you can see the statutory information. Here different VAT classifications, service category, TDS nature, directive type, and quit. First let's go to VAT classification. Okay, this is the VAT classification. What are the, in this we have different types of VAT. It's mentioned here. This is the types of VAT classified. Okay, so let's go to directive type. Let's see where is, okay, here is a artificial juridical person, juridical persons and association of person, judicial, okay, that is judicial person, associate person, and body of individual, company, non-resident, company resident, cooperative societies, individual resistance, local authority, and partnership firm. These are the nature of directives. Let's go, for the purpose of TDS we have made, let's go to TDS details. Okay, here's a company resident, so take company resident, select. Here we can find the company, how much amount we have paid, and what are the limitation what are the limitation, this one. Okay, now you can find company resident, residential status resident, directive type company, active, yes he is active, module type both, directive TDS, any other interest on security as per section 93. This is the thing. Exemption limit is 2500, 10% rate. Exemption limit per surcharge 1 crore. This is a 2% exemption limit. Education says 1, and this is secondary. These are different. Commission or brokerage, means sales of lottery tickets, commission on sale of lottery ticket. If you got the lottery, there is a TDS, they will deduct first tax, then the lottery amount will be remittance to us. For that lottery commission we have to calculate. Its limit is only 1000 here. This is the limit is only 1000. This is from 2004, this is from 2007. Okay, when it is changes, all amounts, everything is given here. Okay, this is how it is given in the details information. There are many difference for every payment. It will give here for every exception report. Okay, now TDS nature of payments. Let's see nature of payment. Let's enter, this is the nature of payments. From here you have to select interest other than interest on securities. For example, this is interest other than interest on securities. Here you can find interest other than interest on securities is 194A is a form. This is okay. This is the way where we can see other reports, payment in respect of units and offered funds. Okay, this is the nature of payments. What are the types of details of VAT and any other things. Okay, now service category. How many service categories are there? This is the service category: advertisement, space or time, airport services, air transport or passenger services, air travel, architect services. This is a list of services. Okay, for example, okay, name service category. Here in the name service category, followed by code. For example, accounting code or category code fields. Difference is given. Many things is here. Different types of service, all the service are listed here. Let's see if it is possible. Okay, it's not giving anything. For example, let's event management service we have selected. Here you can find event management services applicable to country India, and code is this one is the code accounting code. This is the followed by codes only. Okay, this is followed by code. Okay, so category services has a code. It is the Indian code 198 India, and code is this one. This is the accounting code. Category code is EVS. Okay, sub class number is ZU. Service tax detail applicable from 1st to 2005. It changed in 2006, changed in 2007, changed in 2009. Okay, service tax rates are 10%, 12%, 12%, 10%. Sales rate, this is the cess rate, this is the secondary cess rate. Okay, there's an information where we can see the different types. Okay.